Hello guys, welcome to my channel SKS Technical Life. In this video, I will explain you how to fill a RGPV form of 8th semester final year. So without wasting a time, let's start the video. Open your Chrome browser first of all. You have to search here a RGPV student login and you will see the first link, that is the student login page. You have to click on this link and after that you have to enter your enrollment number and then password. Okay, and after that you have to enter a capture code which is written below, and then you have to click on this sign in button. Okay, and then you will see this, the all details like name, you can see, verify it, and then what you have to do, you have to just click on this student services option and you will see the list of the services, and here the one service, that is examination form. Here you will see this option, that is fill exam form. You have to click on this and you will see this section. Okay, so here you will see the examination session, that is June 2026, and here you will see at the right search button. You have to click on this search button and you will see this, the student personal details. Okay, I recommend you to copy this address. It's helpful for next step. Okay, so after copying this, you see this student current status. You have to click on this circle check box, and then you will see this section, that is student personal detail. Basically this detail for delivering a certificate, I mean to say a degree. Okay, BTech degree. To deliver this degree, they want your address. Okay, so here you can enter any address where you can get that degree. So I already told you that copy thing, the address which we copied used in below or the next step. So let me paste here. 1 second, Control V. I think copy paste is not working here, so don't worry, you have to just manually write your address. Let me write from my Aadhaar card. After entering the address, you have to enter a full name in Hindi, and so for that just write your name in English. It automatically convert in Hindi. Okay, just you have to press space button. Okay, so like let me do SUMIT, and after writing this you have to just enter a space, then you will see the name will converted into Hindi. So you will see it automatically converted in Hindi. Okay, then let me write my last name, KUSHWAH, Pushwa, then space. Okay, and you will see that the name is automatically converted in Hindi. Okay, then now what you have to do, you have to just enter your pin code, city pin code, and I recommend you to verify one more time all the details. Okay, because it's more important. Okay, then scroll down and you will see this two checkbox, that is cloud computing and managing innovation and entrepreneurship. Okay, so click on this checkbox and after that you scroll and you will see the examination fees structure and the final fees you have to pay, that is 1750. Okay, then payment method is ICICI bill disk. You don't have to change here, and then you have to scroll down and you will see this checkbox. After that you have to click on this go for the online payment. You will see these types of options. You can directly for pay by scanning, you have to click on this UPI option, and here you will see this scan the QR code. Okay, so here you have to see this show QR code. You have to click on this and you will see the QR code. After that you have to just pay your fee, and you have to wait for some time and the payment will automatically detected, and then the payment receipt will be appear, and then you have to just print out or download it. So this is all about in this video, and if you're getting any error you can comment below. I definitely help you. Thank you.